So people, we are looking at, so this is the first lecture of Gulliver's Travels, and we are looking at, so let us start with, okay. So the novel begins, actually when we look at the summary, you will, let me just straighten the camera. Yeah, this is fine. And somehow I feel, after shooting in both the third year and the second year, so somehow that the first year has got the best view. Either put a better view and a second, if you go upstairs, as you go upstairs, you go climb the stairs and then you reach a room. And the room, lab the second part room, one of the third top room, one of the best rooms we can ever. The invigilation spacious, you can go around and that's where I used to teach my pronunciation courses. We'll talk about that later. Okay. So we're looking at Gulliver's Travels by Kanata, and the novel begins. Hello. All that will be recorded. Don't worry. Record record. And Yaro face is no record. Pair Mutama Sullivan. Seria. Allah from record. Okay. So the novel begins with a letter, and it's a very strange letter. The letter comes, actually, the publisher has published the novel. This novel has been published. We are not talking about this publisher. This is a letter between the publisher and Gulliver. So, the author of Gulliver's Travels is Jonathan Swift, but it has been written like a travelogue. So, who is the real author of the novel? The actual author? Yeah. It starts with a letter to the. So, the publisher writes a note to the reader. It starts with the publisher writing a note to the reader, and in that he explains. There is only one thing that he says. He says that I am related to the author Lemuel Gulliver. His name is Lemuel Gulliver, and he is my cousin through some relationship. Our relationship explain. You can read the. He's a cousin on my mother's side of being there. Okay, so our Purvikala he is from this place, and then he came here from a particular county in England, and then he moved up in Soldier. Okay, and this is how he came to publish. Gulliver handed to me, my cousin Gulliver handed to me the papers, okay, that covers all these 4 voyages, and that is how I came to publish it. How this book got published, 1 or 2 pages, the publisher to the reader. That is, the publisher is addressing the reader, us, and saying how he came to get ownership of these papers. Okay, this is a very this is how it starts. But then, now that it's published, there is a the bigger letter from Gulliver to his cousin, the publisher. Okay, so this is the first thing. So Captain Gulliver writes a letter. You can note this down because this is not in the summary. Okay, so in the thread, once you understand this thread, you'll be able to understand what's going on. So Captain Gulliver is writing a letter to his cousin. Which cousin is this? The publisher, and he is complaining that after the publication of these volumes, there have been counters. Just like you have, see, for example, let us take a video, or there's an Instagram account, something you publish. What are the comment? There will be comments. There will be counter comments. There will be some sort of you publish a video. There will be no. This video is not correct. There is another video which shows the same thing. Or counter correct. So he says, just because I have published this sounds like a complaint. Captain Gulliver, okay, complains to his cousin, saying that you had promised me that you will publish all this just as it is. But there have been a lot of changes. This will happen. Any publisher will edit the volumes and then only he will send it. You send something to a local newspaper, our word count. You take Big Boss. They take 24 hours of a person's life. அந்த குரூப்போட லைஃப் 24 மணி நேரம் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க கரெக்டா. அதை 1 hour தான் காட்ட முடியும். 24 மணி நேரம் காட்டினா போர் அடிக்கும். So he has given certain conditions. See, you should not remove anything from the pages. You are not supposed to change anything. You are not supposed to do something to make it interesting. But that is precisely what the publisher has. The publisher has changed. The voyages have been changed. The readers has changed the, okay. In fact, in chapter 3, what happens is Gulliver says, I am going to write a bigger account, a bigger book, a separate book on the history and culture of the Lilliputians. So that also, that later, but let me mention it here. He says, I'm going to write a book on the culture of Lilliputians. This he says in chapter 3 or 4, right? I'm not sure when, okay? So separate book will be published. So either think of this as a video or as a comment or as a, as something which is very popular, which has gone viral. Whatever becomes viral, there will be a counter, adu meme maarum. Okay? Adu edavadhu or idha maarum. So adha inge அவர் complaint பண்றாரு. So this is a complaint. This is actually a regret. நான் வருத்தப்படுறேன். தான் நான் பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணிட்டேன் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்றாரு. அதுக்கு அவர் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, so பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் சில நாட்களுக்கு அப்புறம் அவர் இந்த லெட்டர் அனுப்புறாரு. எவ்வளவு நாட்கள்னா around 6 to 7 months. So after this letter is written after the publication of the voyages. So almost 6 to 7 months have gone by, and he is not happy. முக்கியமான ஒரு விஷயம், he gets irritated by this. இதுவே நான் part 1 மாதிரி பப்ளிஷ் பண்றேன், 4 voyages part 1 மாதிரி பப்ளிஷ் பண்றேன். Without the permission of the author, the second part has come. Some people have come up with second part. இதுதான் ஆத்தென்டிக். அதே மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் கலிவர்லாம் கலிவர் இஸ் லைங். Many people will do that. நீ ஒரு கிளைம் பண்ணனா, this person is lying, this person is not telling the truth. That is one of the reasons why, as a rule, if you notice, I would not invite comments to my videos at all. My comments will always be off. Precisely because நான் பேசுறது சப்ஜெக்ட். அதுலயும் நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மினிட் 103ல சொன்னது எனக்கு புரியல, திருப்பி ரிப்பீட் பண்ணுங்க, ப்ளீஸ் சொல்லுங்க யாராவது. So something like that. This is actually a complaint, a regret that he has published because second parts are coming. Libels are being made. அதாவது நீங்க பண்ணது தப்பு. ஓகே, என்ன எப்படி தெரியுமா பண்ணுவாங்க, இப்பதான் கமெண்ட் இருக்குமா, முன்னெல்லாம் ஒரு புக் வந்ததுன்னா அந்த புக்கை அப்போஸ் பண்ணி அந்த புக்கை இது பண்ணி ஒரு பேம்ப்ளெட் வரும், பிட் நோட்டீஸ், இவர் சொல்றதெல்லாம் தப்பு, இதெல்லாம் இது அது மட்டும் இல்லையா. another thing is இதுக்கு கீ எழுதுவாங்க. So what do you mean by key? எப்பா இந்த புஸ்தகத்துல in this book all the characters who come they mean something. இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் கேரக்டர் கிங்க ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்றாங்க, இந்த பர்టిక్యులர் கேரக்டர் இவரை கிண்டல் பண்றாங்க. So a key has been published, second parts have been published without the permission of Captain Gulliver. So this is his main okay, his main complaint, and with this complaint the book begins. Okay, so let's go into the book. So இது ஒரு so the publication and people are, he has become a household name. He has become a, I mean, people are commenting on it. That's very that is the result of this publication. Okay, now let's go into the voyage. So இந்த கலிவர்ங்கிறவன் யார், அவரோட வாழ்க்கை வரலாறு, let us look at his biography. So his father Gulliver was he had siblings. He is the third of 5 sons. So அவரோட வாழ்க்கை வரலாறு கொஞ்சம் பார்த்தோம்னா, he introduces himself. He is the third of 5 sons. And his father sent him to educate himself, and he got he educated himself, and what he did was he got apprenticed under a doctor. Okay, so you may wonder, if again don't compare it with this. He calls this person okay, so yeah, okay, so Mr. Bates, Mr. Bates is the surgeon under whom he apprentices. Now a question comes here. And I'm not going to record this. One second. Just a rough thing that I've said. It's a long haul. It is a long haul thing. There is a lot of, a lot of slips and, sorry to say, a lot of slips and a lot of difficulties. So I'm sure you've taken the correct decision by becoming a teacher. This would be my only thing. You should develop the personality of being a teacher. So he apprentices now our career. He's an apprentice, but after the death of his patron, Mr. Bates, he finds that his business is failing, that he is not able to get the clients. So his clients are based on Mr. Bates' recommendation. On the recommendation is okay. So what happens? The best thing is he says, okay, let me go and go on a ship on a voyage. Let me go on a ship and let me earn. Just imagine, there is no money in this. He gets married, he becomes a doctor, he gets married. So Gulliver becomes a doctor, he gets married, but suddenly he finds that he is not able to find the patients. Okay, so he decides to go on a voyage. How will that help? That's my question. We'll stop here for today.